Hello, Kentucky Rimfire and Hobbies is back here again on this cloudy day with a slight breeze. We're going to try the Hazzbro Mario Challenge, Hazzbro's Hammertime. So you have to shoot the barrel. And of course the top two, the barrel's worth one. You can touch the brim of the hat, but nothing else. And as you go down in target, the points value goes up. Then you got 2 coins down there as bonus that you can shoot. But here we go, guys. We're gonna take a few sighters. We're using the Ruger Precision. We have our Tacticam on for downrange footage. And we have our camera back here showing the 50-yard target downrange. And here we go, guys. We're shooting some sighters first with SK Standard Plus. Normally we shoot Center X out of this, but we ran out of Center X, so for sighter I'm shooting at the O and Hazzbro. We shot just a little high and a little right. Let's shoot one more. A little low, and still a little right. So let's give it just a little left. Try one more. Alright, we got wind picked up down there, so we're just going to have to go with what we got. Alright, Mario number 1. I may have shot Mario right in the face. Having to hold a little Kentucky wind edge. Down on the 3rd row. Again, this is not the ammo we normally shoot in this gun. so much you're seeing on this target that looks like a shot. Like his feet looks like a shot to me. That little dark spot under the brim of his hat looks like a shot to me. It's hard to tell. That might have been a miss. That was definitely a miss. We gotta go for the coins. I got that one. Alright, guys, that's my first run at the Hazzbro Hammertime Challenge, shooting my RPR, which everybody hates. But we're going to go down and look at that target. Stand by. Okay, Hazzbro, I'm not too proud of this one, but it's not too bad for the first go round though. So the first one, I hit him in the face. So that's a -1. I think I scored this right too. I don't know. So +1. Right there, I hit his hand. I did plug it. -1. +2, +2, +2. I gave myself a 0 on that one. When I stick this plug in it, it's touching it. It didn't break it, but it's touching it. I didn't give myself anything. Goose egg, +3, -2. So that tried to coin +2 because goose egg, goose egg, goose egg. So if I scored this correctly, I got a total of 21. With my deductions of 4, I got a 17. So 17 for my first go. And that's with the Ruger Precision shooting SK Standard Plus. We'll try it again. Good target, Hazzbro. You guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Leave a comment down below. Appreciate the comments. Try to reply to everyone.